Hi everyone! I am Miss Shara, a medical esthetician of Next Level Center. So today, andito po si Roxy. So I did hyco nose lift para dagdagan po yung height ng bridge niya. I have inserted soluble suture thread para dagdagan yung height ng nose bridge ni Roxy. Ginawa ko kay Miss Roxy is parang Asian nose lang na dinagdagan ko lang ng konting height yung nose bridge niya. Just like the Korean nose. Wala po kayong makikitang suture thread kasi yung nose ni Miss Roxy, natural nose niya talaga is meron siyang scar dito sa bridge. As you can see, dinagdagan ko lang, no fillers, only threads po.
Sa akin, napakagandang effect po sa mukha ko. So, very nice. Less pain and of course, satisfied po ako kasi nakita ko yung gawa ni ma'am na talagang maayos siya at walang makikitang bakas ng yung parang hematoma sa aking ilong.
If you want to achieve this kind of nose like Miss Roxy, you can visit us here in Next Level Center. Thank you!